In this video, I'm going to show you how to build any feature or any application you want only using AI. No coding required. Okay? Anything you want, you can build here. Also, it is completely for free. So, to start your coding experience, first you need to have V0.dev website. So to create an account, first click here. This is our website. This is V0.dev. So you need to sign up and then create an account. So to create an account, if you have a GitHub account, you can click here and boom, you just sign in. Or you can click here and type your email address. If you have Gmail or Outlook or anything, any Gmail you want or an email, you can put here and type your Gmail and proceed the login page. So I already have an account, so let us proceed. So this is a V0.dev dashboard and I want to build an image resizer tool. I'm going to show you how to build this feature and this AI tool. So only you need to create a prompt. A prompt means what type, what feature, and what tools you want. Features, design, or tools you want. You describe anything you want and tell AI what you order, what you want to ask. Okay, I put here this prompt, and then AI created, generated. You see that this the first version of the image resizer, and then let's have these tools, and then I ask, you see that, and then I ask it to redesign the image resizer tool and give me the improvement of this tool. So this is the tool. AI created all these pages and all these codes. You see that only this landing page I created 15 plus times until I created all these version 4. Anything I want, I asked it, the AI please design user interface while keeping features that it has now. You see that? I ask it, anything AI please design the landing page, UI and UX and user guide steps with images. Anything I want, V0.dev create it and give me the images. So this is the website I have built. You see that? This is the website I have built. This is the website I have built. Yes, this is the website I have built it. It has more features. You see that? You can make light or deck. Also, you can upload your image or drag and drop. You see that? Okay, let us test. When you uploaded your image, and then you can proceed the image, and then you go the tool page. You see that? We show a selected image and then all these. You see that? You can now make anything you want. All these are features. You see that? Also, the image you can make a watermark or not. You can, yes, you can make a background image or plan or normal, whatever you want. You see, and then you can proceed the image, and then when the proceed the image, and then you can download. You see that you can download the image like this. You see that the image downloaded. So AI, you can now build anything you want, anything you want. This is how I created the Image Resizer Tool. So you see that only this landing page has many sections. You see that, like advanced features, user interface guide, and why choose this tool. You see that, lighten session and frequently asked questions. You can now build anything or any code or tools. So if you know more AI tools and more AI tutorials, I can make and I can create anything. So please wait and subscribe this channel. Please like the video. So if you have a question or if you have any update, please tell us in the comment section. See you in the next video.